Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one live trade with our strategy. I will going to explain you about the setup and the strategy in detail so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We are on the Euro US dollar chart as you can see, and we are going to analyze the 1 minute candlestick chart. So first of all, understand what is the trend here. So it's clear that market is going in the downward direction, so it's a clear downtrend market. But now look carefully here. What is missing here? Well, whenever we see a trendy market, we always try to trade in the direction of the trend, which is actually a good thing. But we all know that market doesn't move in a straight line. It moves in waves. It forms higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, and when it is going in the downward direction, it will form lower lows, and then it will retrace back, will form a lower high, and again goes down, will form a new lower low. In this case, you can see one thing is missing, which is a retracement. Market is smoothly falling for the last like 1 hour, for like an hour, so we can expect a reversal from this scenario. Now for that, what we need a strong level of support. Do we have any strong level of support here? Well, of course not. So what we do, we will try to find if we have any strong level of support. We'll go in the back, and here we have a strong level of support. So first of all, let's draw some level. I will make it white, will make it bold. Now it's visible, and market, you can see I will include this one. So this is the whole zone of support, which is strong, because you can see market respected this previously and reverses back strongly. So this is a level which we can trust and can say that yes, market can reverse from the level, because buyers are waiting for the market to hit this level so that they can place their buying orders. Or we can say that the traders who sell here, who place their sell order here, might book their profit here. So this is a good zone for the reversal. So now as we have a run and a strong support level, we can expect a reversal, but for that we need weak market and confirmation. Right now market, if we go by the chart, you can see previously it was falling sharply, but with time the momentum was slowing down and it was getting weaker. And here you can see market is showing some signals of buying opportunities here. So what we can expect now, we can expect a reversal, because market is getting weaker and it is at a support level which is strong. Previously market was moving strongly in the downward direction and we didn't have any retracement till now, so we can expect a retracement from this strong level of support. Now what we will do, we will wait for the confirmation, because that's the only thing that we required right now to place our trade, because market is quite weak now and we can wait for the confirmation. So what we will do, we will wait for the confirmation so that we can place our trade. So we'll fast forward this video to save some time, and as soon as I place my trade, I will try to explain you once again. So let's wait. So we have placed our first trade and we got a clear breakout. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I'm going to explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So the trade is finished and we won this trade. Now let's discuss the setup, why I took this trade. So as I explained you in the beginning that market was smoothly falling. So I was expecting that market will retrace back in the future. So this was the setup. So I thought that we are going to catch a retracement trade here. So we draw a strong level of support from this zone. You can see this is the exact line. So this area was a strong support zone, but you can see market broke through this support zone and it hit the next support zone, which is here. It's a whole number level. I checked it in the chart on a bigger time frame also, but I didn't find any visible support levels here. So we don't have any levels drawn. But the thing which I noticed on smaller time frame was that market hit that support level, which is actually a whole number. So and we know that whole number works as great support or resistance level. So in my mind I was thinking that a retracement is required because this is unhealthy. It has to reverse. So I was waiting for the market to hit a support level. Market broke through this level, but reverses rejected from that whole number. So we can say this is the support level which market respected in this case. Market reverses from that level. I was waiting for the market to get weak. Market was a little bit weaker here. So I draw a trend line here. I was waiting that market will break through this trend line. So we got a breakout, but the breakout was not clear, and that's why I didn't place any trade. So I waited and waited. What I did, I draw a level of resistance here. This was the level. You can see these wicks, these rejection shows presence of sellers. So I was thinking that once we have a clear breakout from this resistance level, we are going to place our trade. So we got a good confirmation here. So I placed our trade here and we won this trade. Now let me again recap the setup. So market was smoothly falling. So I was expecting a retracement trade. Second thing, for a retracement trade, we need a strong level of support. Market respected this level. It started to reverse back, but market didn't give us a good signal. So I draw a trend line here. I was waiting to get a breakout. We got a breakout, but the breakout was not clear. So I waited and draw the next resistance level and waited for the breakout. We got the breakout. The candlestick was strong and the volume was shown also. So I placed the trade and we won the trade. So this was the whole setup, and I hope that I have explained you in detail why I took this trade. It was based on price action actually. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And for more queries, you can, like, if you have any suggestions for the next upcoming videos, you can also suggest me the topic that you want me to make videos on. That's it for today, and I hope that I have explained you in detail. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.